Hello, greetings of the day. My name is Amardeep Misra. Welcome in our today webinar of online work-based MBA and doctorate from RB College UK in Health and Safety Management System. So today we have our three special members or guests, you can also call it, two from RB College UK. Dr. Jengia we have Mr. Sarif, and we have our Amsterdam HSC International founder and our internal quality assessor, Mr. Hans, and ISSAFE founder and senior trainer, Mr. Cyril as well. So, can I get a thumbs up reaction if my voice is perfectly audible? And please also open your camera if possible so that we can interact with everyone, and then we can start our today session. So everyone, please on your camera also if possible. Perfect. So before starting our today's session, I would just like to give a short introduction about BrahMos Global, how we work, so that you all can get to know about us in detail. Just a minute. Supplementation.
Welcome to BrahMos Global Institute, a world leader in safety training and education approved by OTHM UK, RB College, EOSH, PCB Canada for globally recognized OHS training and qualification.
We are RB College UK, United Kingdom approved educational partner. Are you looking for MBA in health and safety or doctorate in business administration? Choose BrahMos. We offer MBA DBA training and qualifications approved by RB College Gatehouse that is off-call regulated.
Our courses are delivered by experienced trainers and industry experts with deep knowledge of safety regulations and best practices. Trainers have hands-on experience in sectors like construction, manufacturing, healthcare, and energy.
We have all the types of globally recognized HSE training like occupational health and safety, ESC, environmental sustainability, oil and gas, fire safety, OSHA, 30-hour and 48 hours OS Level 3 diploma, Level 6 and Level 7, work-based in BDBA and OS for safety professionals. Contact us today to enroll in our globally recognized courses and
Okay, so this is just a short intro about BrahMos. So I hope you all are, I think, very much familiar about the BrahMos Global already. So now I'm going to unmute everyone, but if possible, please keep your mic off, because I want that those are our guests today. They will introduce themselves and then we can start our today's session. So Dr. Jengia, are you here? Can you please?
I'm here already.
Okay.
I don't know, sorry for joining like I believe 8 minutes late. I don't know if my colleague Sharif already introduced himself or not yet.
Yeah, not it, not it. You are going to starting from first, yeah.
Okay, perfect. Thank you so much. I'm really happy having all of you here today. I believe Sharif can start, then I'll take it the word after him.
Sure, sure. So we have Mr. Sarif from RB College. Can you please introduce yourself, sir?
Okay, good evening, everyone. Thank you, Amardeep, for giving me the word. My name is Sharif Noor. I work in RB College as International Partnership Manager. Very happy to be with you today to discuss this topic. Okay, first thing I want to say, very proud to work in RB College. We have made a lot of impact across the globe in nearly all industries related to business or managing. Um, I want to give a special thanks to Dr. Amardeep, Dr. Jenny, and all the professors here today discussing this topic. Now I will give the word to Dr. Jenny. She can start and take the lead.
Thank you so much, Sharif. So thank you again to all the participants who are here today. I believe we are all in the same position. We are all here because we want to grow our career, to invest on our future. And, the main thing to start this growth, it is through education. Now, who we are? We are Royal Business College. We are located, we do have our main branch in Birmingham, in the UK, and in the same time, we have more than 40 partners globally, which means we do have a very good presence and we do operate in more than 40 countries. But the students that are with us, by the way, we have a mix of more than 70 to 80 nationalities. What we offer, it is a British education. We offer to our students a UK education, which it has a global recognition. The programs that we offer to the students are all, about, like literally as Sharif mentioned, we offer for all industries. The only thing that it would be different and that you will not find it on RB College, it would be the technical part of engineering, medicine, and law. Any other thing than that, any other field, starting from, I don't know, HSA, healthcare management, hospitality management, financial, international business, HR, marketing, AI, we do provide all this program educational for our students. Why our degrees have a global recognition? Because RB College degrees are all stamped by the British Council, which means any country in the world where there is a British embassy, our degree, it is already recognized. Now, the programs, that...
Excuse me, ma'am.
Sorry?
Okay, we have a presentation, and from that presentation, we have some some learners send us some question. So accordingly, we will ask, and then they want yours your guidance on that particular thing. Just I'm taking 2 more minutes.
100%.
Yeah, just I will take 2 more minutes because we have our 2 more guests, and let them
Okay,
introduce,
sure.
and then we can start our session, and then we can go ahead. So thank you
Definitely.
so much. Yeah. So we
You're welcome.
have founder of Amsterdam International and our IQA internal quality assessor, Mr. Hans, with us. So Mr. Hans, can you please introduce yourself?
Yeah, good evening. My name is Hans Schellevis. I'm from the Netherlands. That's why it's called Amsterdam Agency. I'm a very experienced safety manager in the field, and I'm a part of Bramels in the west of Europe. That is actually my part of to do. So good evening.
Okay, perfect. So we have Mr. Saril Duplessis, founder of SAFE in Saudi, and our senior OHS trainer for MBA DBA level 6. So Mr. Saril.
Good evening, everyone, and welcome. So my name is Saril Duplessis, and I'm the lead trainer at Bramels Global Institute. I've spent over 23 years working in the health and safety and environmental management across industries such as construction, oil and gas, and infrastructure sectors where mistakes are costly and safety is non-negotiable. But today I'm not here just to discuss or talk about my experience. I'm here to talk about your future, your growth, your credibility, and your ability to stand out in a highly competitive and demanding global market. Welcome.
Thank you. And we have one more guest from Ghana, Mr. Oko. He is our representative in Ghana. And basically, till now, we have connected with many companies, those who received our training. I also lead auditor training as well. So through Mr. Oko. So Mr. Oko, can you please introduce yourself within 1 minute and then we can proceed ahead? Yeah. I think Mr. Oko is here or not.
My name, can you hear me, Ahmedip?
Yes.
Okay, my name is Prince Junior Oko, Bramels rep for Ghana. Currently, I'm the health and safety manager for as a part-time for MSO engineering in Ghana. I'm an associate member or a rep for Bramosh Ghana, and we are trying to do our best to raise the flag of Bramosh Global Institute. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Perfect. So we have a very good presentation that is made by our senior trainers. So I'm going to share this presentation so that you all can get to know about this. And then we have two more presentations about the MBA and DBA. Out of those presentations, we have collected some genuine questions from the learner and Dr. Jenzia, and we have our senior trainer. Definitely, they will give the best answer of those questions. Okay. So I'm going to share those presentation. It will just take few minutes, and I hope you all will enjoy. Whenever you face any kind of doubt, please must drop your question or raise your hand. I will allow you to speak, and then we can discuss. Thank you. Okay, so I'm expecting that. Continuous. So I hope my voice, my screen is clearly visible. Can I get a thumbs up reaction if it is clearly visible? Anyone just confirm me. My screen is visible or not?
Yes, it's visible.
Okay, okay. Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah, it's visible.
Thank you. Just a minute. Just a minute. Some background noises are coming. Okay, so first of all, I would like to warmly welcome you all in our today session, that is MBA and DBA in Health and Safety Management. And this is our online webinar. This webinar is conducted by Royal Business College UK through their support and through Bermos Global and Amsterdam HSC International Academy. So in this webinar, what we are going to discuss? In this webinar, we are going to talk about the MBA and DBA. But before it, you need to know that this MBA and DBA is globally recognized or not, and approved from where. So we are going to discuss that part in this particular slides. So as you all know, Brahmos Global is approved by RB College UK, OTHM, EOS UK, PECB, IBSP US, and we are the permanent member of ENITOS, that is European Network Educational Training of Occupational Safety and Health, ENITOS Germany. And we have trained more than 6,000 learners at present. Continue to say. Now, this MBA has the global MBA. Those learners who want the approval from both RB College, you can College de Paris, they can also go for the global MBA too. Now, before moving ahead, we would just like to take some moment to proudly congratulate our recent achievers, those who completed their level 6, those who completed their MBA from Brahmos Global. So we would like to congratulate our learners from Sweden, from UK. They recently completed their MBA in Health and Safety Management System from RB College UK. And we are the delivery partner. We have given the best training, best services to them. Our learner from Saudi Arabia, from Qatar, from India. And recently, on 7th of April, these people has completed their OTHM UK level 6. Now they are eligible for MBA. And I hope they will very soon, they are going to enroll for MBA and DBA as well. So recently they have completed last week their OTHM level 6 from UK, India, Netherlands, Pakistan. Okay. And recently our certified master trainer batch also completed this training. So we would like to congratulate our recent achiever from last 1 month, those who achieved something from us through the support of our educational partner. What is the objective of this webinar? Just a minute. I hope my voice is perfectly audible to everyone. Whenever you face any kind of question, any kind of issue, feel free to ask me. Okay, so what is the objective of this webinar? The objective of this webinar to provide a clear understanding about MBA in Health and Safety, DBA in Health and Safety Management System program offered in collaboration with Royal Business College UK. The session aims to highlight the program structure, global recognition, career opportunities. Do you know, after completing your MBA or DBA, like last 2 months ago, RB College UK, their college professor, he sent me a mail that those who want to do like a professor type of job, please send their CVs, and we have sent some CVs. So they said whenever they get opportunity, they will hire them. So even the RB college also provide the opportunity sometimes, okay, when they have. Plus, this qualification also helps our learner to get the opportunities to add doctor in their name, get a fame with their knowledge, with their qualification. Because when you add doctor with your name, so it indicate that you are highly educated. You have the like good number of experience, and you know very well how to deal with that particular subject. If you are a health and safety expert, you know very well about the policy, you know very well about the on-field work as well. So with the collaboration with RB College UK, the session aims to highlight the program structure, global recognition, career opportunities, and practical benefits for professionals seeking leadership role in occupational health and safety and sustainability. Now, our students from all over the world, with the help of the RB College, Barmos is also getting popularity. With the help of the Amsterdam HSC International, Barmos is also improving their quality. So these are the value when you have the good tie-up with the educational partners, with the awarding bodies, with the universities and colleges. They also guide you and improve your quality, improve your services. So we are very thankful to RB College for providing us the opportunity to serve as their educational partner. Barmos is globally, Barmos is available in, Barmos has the 46 representative. Barmos has the 3 to 4 offices in global market, and Barmos has the headquarter in India. Now, this is very interesting. Round university ranking. I hope Dr. Jenji is also noticing this presentation that we are going to show here. Round university ranking, where RB College stand out of 54,000 university profiles. If you check the numbers here, and even if you visit the Round University ranking, and if you search with your own self, this is the today result. Out of 54,000 university profiles, RB College ranking is 693. Within 700, the 700 most top college in health and safety management system, in project management, in sustainability, in business management. So RB College is doing great, and through their services, we are also giving our best service to our learners. So you can also visit this particular website, and they actually provide the like a ranking of the university. You can also check those who perform the way they set their rankings. And RB College ranking it, country ranking is 63 and world ranking is 693. So that is a great number, I think. About the RB College UK, I hope Miss Chenjia will speak much better, but I'm just going to highlight about some accreditation that why RB College matter, and then Dr. Jenjia will speak on this. So RB College UK is an independent educational institution committed to delivering high quality industry relevant and professionally focused programs for learners from all over the world. RB College operates as an independent institution and is not affiliated with a specific university, but its programs are designed to align with international academic and professional development standards. The institution collaborates with the recognized awarding body, professional organization, global educational network to support the learner progressions and professional recognition. Now, RB College is also approved by OTHM UK, that is OFQL regulated. RB College is also approved by CPD, Continual Professional Development Program. RB College is UK RLP, that is UK Register of Learning Provider, listed on the UK Register Learning Provider, officially UK government database of verified learning provider. UCAS registration, UCAS, Universities and College Admission Service. RB College is also recognized by UCAS and European Solidarity Cross Registration. MBA, they have the MBA and DBA programs almost in every kind of subject, from project manager to health and safety to sustainability. They have the dual MBA opportunity. If any learner want to get the dual MBA, so they can also do from RB College UK and College de Paris. And these are some of the professional membership association, like they are associated with ABP UK, IABP USA, IAAP, International Association of Administrative Professionals. Today we have our special members with us. As I already mentioned, Mr. Hans or Jonas Escolvis, his official name, Dr. Jengia from RB College UK, and she is the strategic business leader, regional partner. And we have the Mr. Saril, our OHS trainer. Now, these are some questions that we will ask very soon to our guests, and we will also respond on it. Okay, so let me allow Dr. Jengia to speak and add some point, a specific point about it. Dr. Jengia, just a minute, please. Yes, so now we can speak, and please, ma'am, add.
Yes, Ahmed. You said my name wrong throughout the whole speech,
Oh,
but
I'm
it's okay.
sorry.
It's okay.
Can you please
So my
spell your
name
name,
is
ma'am?
Janisa. Yes, my name is Janisa.
Okay, sorry, yeah.
Okay. So see, I'm very happy because you covered the core information what the student needs to hear. Okay, and congrats to the students from your end as well who graduate recently. We had in Dubai at 12, like 4 or 5 days ago, we had the graduation ceremony in Dubai where we had 250 students from our end getting graduated in MBA and DBA programs. So now let me just go a little details for both of our programs. Our MBA, in terms of duration, it takes, from 6 to 9 months to be completed, while our doctorate, it takes from 9 to 18 months to be completed. This is based on the availability that you have to put towards this program. Regarding our MBA, it includes of, 9 modules, and for each of these modules at the end the student has to take an assignment. It is not like as a school exam, it is an assignment where it is more somehow the student have to give their own opinion for what would have done in such situation happen to their workplace, while our doctorate includes 6 modules, and then we have the research or the thesis part. When it comes to the MBA, the program can be done either online or offline through your professors, or it can be as a self-study. While doctorate, it has mandatory to be done with a supervisor. It is you who choose the thesis of your doctorate. That's how we put even the name of the doctorate. Like personally, I do have a doctorate in international business because I chose to study for this specific topic. But in your case, like if you want to have a doctorate in HSE, then your thesis or your research work, it would be done on this specific thing. Mostly for the doctorate, we get a supervision session every 3 to 4 weeks, But as I said in the beginning, if there is someone who would like to, speed the process and have sessions on weekly basis, we are with them as well. I would like to again bring to the attention of our students today something very interesting that you shared, that yes, we are always hiring in the need, when we have a need for professors, for lecturers, we always hire from our students. It is somehow of an internal hiring. Yes, currently too, we are in need. We are still hiring professors for our business college, for HSE. But unfortunately, I don't think any of you is qualified so far till you do not have the title doctor. So the faster you finish your doctorate, the faster we can go into these discussions. I'm open for whatever questions you might have. Please carry on, whoever want to ask me something.
Okay, just one question I received in chat box, and I would like to ask ma'am, and then definitely they also want to wait. Okay, is the certification DBA awarded by university or by training college? By Mr. Hamid Awan, like he is very
Okay,
expert person in oil and gas safety.
perfect. So, my dear, our accreditations are two. First, we are accredited from the Gatehouse. The Gatehouse, it is the biggest awarding body in the UK for the higher education from the Ministry of Education. Okay, and then we are accredited from OTHM, which gives to our programs a global recognition. So yes, our degrees are fully accredited and recognized by us because we are an educational body. We're not a training center. We're a business college. The difference between a business college and a university, it is in university you get the theoretical information, while in business college you get the professional information.
Perfect, ma'am. Perfect. Okay, so just allow me few more minutes. I have a very good presentation. So just a minute. Someone please off your mic. Like we are getting the background noise from your side. Okay, let me just unmute. Okay. So just allow me few more minutes. I'm going to say one more presentation, and I hope you all will enjoy because a detailed about MBA is given here, including the certificate sample, including the subject that actually we teach, and definitely the learner will enjoy. Mr. Saril has the great responsibility when he provide this kind of training as a HSC trainer. Okay, so here work-based MBA in health and safety management system. Why it is work-based? Because it is perfectly suited and fit for the working professional. You don't need to lift your country and visit the UK to enroll yourself. You don't need to stop working and spend your 8 or 10 hours of time. This is especially designed for the working professionals. So that's why it is work-based MBA in health and safety management system. A practical work-based MBA that transforms experienced professional into the strategic leader by combining business knowledge. See, business knowledge is very important. We worked on field when we have the level 3, when we have the NIBOS, IGC, OTHM level 3, or British safety level 3. At that time, I think many of you also worked on ground and grabbed the experience, right? But when you are doing the doctorate, MBA, you check your position where you are standing now. You have the 10 years, 15 years, 20 years, 30 years of work experience. Now you are writing policies for the company. You are writing the important, like you are the advisor of the company. You are planning the whole safety management system of the company. So you also need to know about the business. You also need to know that what are the extra burden company will face, because company can be asked that what are the financial benefit that we will get if we follow your plan, right? So we will discuss about the project, we will discuss about the health and safety documentation, how strategically you need to think, you need to talk with your directors, you need to make all the plan. So all these things we will discuss in MBA program. It combines business management with health, safety, risk, sustainability. I hope you hear the name sustainability, very important subject. Focus on real workplace application rather than theory. Now, these are our syllabus for the MBA in Health and Safety Management System. It has 120 credits and strategic management 15 credits, financial management 15 credits, health and safety and leadership essentials, business data analysis and interpretation, enterprise risk management, technology and operation management, project management, and then quality and health and safety management system also. Total 9 modules we have. Out of 9 modules, you need to make assessment ready on 4, any 4. Okay? But we will give the training of all the 9 modules. Plus, we will also give you the best study materials, some projects will guide you. What is RPL? Recognition of prior learning. Now, recognition of prior learning is a formal process that allows learner to receive academic credit for the skill, knowledge, experience that they have already gained through work, training, studies. In simple terms, RPL gives value to what you already know. Now, suppose to enroll in MBA in Health and Safety or doctorate program, you need eligibility. So how you prove your eligibility? You need to prove your eligibility through your experience, that I have the 10 years of experience, 20 years of experience. Am I eligible for the doctorate or not? Because for the doctorate, a learner needs 15 to 20 years of working experience. A learner needs minimum level 6 or level 7 or MBA qualification. For the MBA, a learner needs minimum 3 to 5 years of working experience. Plus, they must complete a higher bachelor's degree or higher degree as well. So RPL, your experience, your training knowledge, it play a very important role here to get eligible and get enrolled in MBA and DBA programs. Because see, it is not something that you paid and you get enrolled. No, you need to prove yourself through your experience letter. You need to prove yourself through your previous qualification, that these are the qualification you done, you completed. So assessment of existing knowledge, you submit evidence of your past learning, your experience, such as certificate from previous courses, degrees, job roles and responsibilities, work-based project, training record, professional development logs. Now, how this 6 or 9 month MBA is different from a traditional 2-year MBA? Because we focus on the core point, the thing that you really need to know. We do not start from the zero because you already have the knowledge. But we talk about the actual thing that really add value. Now, duration is 6 months. We can take. If it require, we will increase extra 2-3 months. Flexible learning through online, through LMS, work-based learning, distance learning are available based on your work experience and RPL recognition. Specialized in health and safety, project management, sustainability as well. And traditional learnings are 24-month, longer, mostly on campus. Okay, usually require the bachelor's degree, extra huge amount of fees they charge. It has 120 credit, more affordable, immediate application from your current workplace and open to professionals with non-academic backgrounds also. Compared to traditional MBA, higher tuition fees, often academic or case study based, mostly theoretical. So these are the differences. But in our MBA, we have the expert trainer, those who already working as a project manager. So he know the ground reality, right? Now, assignment requirements based on the experience. If a learner experience is 10 or 20, they only need to do 3 assessment. If less than 5 or 5, they need to do the 4 or 5 assessments out of 9 within the period of 5 months, and 1 month RV college you can take for evaluation. Now, how RB college certificate, their qualification looks like? I hope you all are enjoying the session, right? Whenever you face any kind of question, any kind of doubt, raise your hand and definitely ask me. Now, how RB College UK qualification looks like. So this is the registration letter. We have just hide the name of the learner, those who recently completed. Okay, so this is the registration letter. Once you enroll, you will get a registration letter from the RB College directly in your mail. Then you will get your registration documents. After completing your qualification, you will get the transcript. This is the transcript. Our learner score are almost 85, 90. Because we give our best effort. Learner give their best effort. Okay. So they completed their MBA in the month of December. Almost A and A plus in every subject from UK. And this is the MBA qualification, MBA in Health and Safety Management that they achieved, soft copy and the hard copy as well. RB College UK also provide the hard copy. Appreciation letter from RB College UK, academic integrity. So you can start with us no matter what's your experience, all this thing. You can start with us from level 3, level 4, level 6, level 7. Then if you have a great experience, qualification, you can enroll for DBA, MBA in DBA, globally recognized, knowledge based. So this is our mail ID and all this thing mentioned. And this point I will mention at the end of the webinar, not now. So yeah, ma'am, do you want to add something more in this, whatever slide I have presented here? Hello, doctor. Like again, I'm just confirm me, please. Her name, but how to spell? I'm just forgetting how to spell. Sensia. Janisa. Dr. Jenia, are you here? Yeah. Do you want to add something more that whatever the slides I have shared here? Oh, okay. You are on mute. Okay. Okay, yeah.
Well, Amardeep, you mute me and then you want me to add something. How will I
No,
be?
sorry, ma'am.
It's okay. So see, from my end, yeah, I'm all done. I'm waiting to hear any questions. Just want to mention that at the work-based MBA, anyone is eligible to get work-based MBA, even if you do not have a bachelor degree, but either you are a minimum 28 years old or you have at least 5 to 7 years of work experience. And by the way, it is the same applicable for the doctorate. Even you might not have a doctorate, but you have 12 to 15 years of work experience, then you can obtain a doctorate as well. So now, yeah, I'm open for whatever question the interested colleagues might have.
Okay, so we will on we will allow the learners to ask the question after 10 minutes. Just allow me to allow Mr. Saril. He has the DBA presentation, so let him complete the DBA presentation first, and then we can take all the questions, and then we can have a great discussion on this. So, Mr. Saril, yes, you can present your presentation about the doctorate DBA in health and safety.
Yes, thank you very much, everyone. Dr. Janita already explained quite a lot already pertaining to the doctorate, so I'm not going to repeat each and every one. So I just when I started my career, like many of you, I focused on practical experience. And yes, experience is important, but over the time I realized something critical. So experience alone is not enough anymore. And I think you all will agree with me that if you work in major projects like what I'm currently doing, is that you need to lead teams, handle audits, and manage high-risk environments. But what truly elevated my career was formal qualifications, structured knowledge, globally recognized certifications. So that's why I pursued my advanced HSE certifications. I obtained my MBA, and I also ultimately obtained my doctorate in business administration as well. And this is not because I needed titles, but because I needed credibility, strategic thinking, and leadership capability. Now, if you look at the doctorate or the DBA, which they call it in business management, it is with a specialization in health and safety leadership. It is a doctoral level, research-based qualification designed for experienced professionals. It focuses on developing advanced knowledge, business management, leadership, and strategic health and safety practices. Unlike traditional academic programs, it is highly practical and aligned with real workplace challenges. Now, that is why I did the doctorate through RB College as well, because it fit my profile, because it is practical and it was aligned with my real workplace challenges. And I think there are a lot of people that are in the same boat that what I was, and that was I need something practical. And I find that the doctorate which RB College presented and currently running is very practical, and I really thoroughly enjoyed to do that program. So that program combines business management principles with health and safety leadership, enabling professionals to understand how safety integrates with organizational strategies, governance, and performance. It prepares learners to manage safety not just as a compliance function, but as a core business value that drives productivity, sustainability, and risk reduction. Now, when I did my thesis, it was all about how we will integrate HSE strategically into the corporate finance. And as I said, and we will develop that to look a little bit later on that. So a key feature of this program is it is thesis-based approach where learners conduct research on real industry problems such as safety culture, risk management, ESG integration or leadership challenges. This allows them to develop evidence-based solutions that can directly improve organizational performance and safety outcomes. Now, if you are the learner or the candidates with the relevant qualifications, which has been mentioned, is that you require a level 6 or a level 7 diploma in occupational health and safety, or a NIBOS diploma or equivalent, a bachelor's or master's degree in relevant field, minimum, as I said, 15 to 20 years of work experience in safety management, operations or consultancy, and must understand and speak and write English. This becomes more prominent in all education sectors now, where you need to be able to write and read and speak in English. Now, the level 8 qualification doctorate in business management with a specialization in health and safety leadership is designed for professionals who aim to move beyond operational roles into strategic leadership positions. In today's industries, organizations require individuals who can influence policy, drive organizational change, and integrate health and safety into overall business strategy rather than just manage the day-to-day safety tasks. And for every manager, this is the level that you want to reach. So this program also focuses on developing advanced research and analytical capabilities, enabling professionals to solve real-world industry challenges through evidence-based approaches. Unlike traditional qualifications, Level 8 enhances critical thinking, problem-solving, and high-level decision-making skills, allowing learners to contribute to innovate safety strategies and global best practices. Now, when you finish with your course, when you finish your course in a specific area, and you have that initial with doctorate with that, immediately it elevates you in any meeting and in any meeting room that you walk in. So from a career perspective, this qualification significantly improves professional credibility and global recognition, opening pathways to senior leadership roles such as HSE director, consultant, ESG advisor, and risk leader. Organizations increasingly seek professionals who can lead safety culture, manage risk strategically, and drive performance improvement, resulting in better career growth and higher earning potential. Furthermore, achieving the level 8 qualification position you as a thought leader and industrial expert developed leadership excellence, um, also enabling you to influence organizations, guide teams, and contribute to the advancement of health and safety practices worldwide. So the best part of this, and this is the exciting part of the DBA, is when it starts to writing your thesis. So the DBA in health and safety leadership is a thesis-based doctoral program, which means it is primarily focused on research rather than traditional exams or classroom assessments. Now, a thesis is a detailed academic and practical research document, typically around 10,000 words. Now, I tried, when I did my thesis, I tried to stick to 10,000 words, but it ended up at 55,000. So this is how excited it gets and how thorough you get in order to deliver your thesis. So the learner identifies a specific issue such as a safety culture, risk management, EGG integration, or leadership challenges and analysis. It is using systematic research methods. So now this approach allows professionals to apply their workplace experience directly into the research, making the learning highly practical and impactful. So this is rather than memorizing theories, learners investigate real challenges, propose solutions, and contribute to improving organizational safety performance. Continuous guidance and supervisions are provided throughout the process to support learners in the developing of high-quality research output. Overall, the thesis-based DBA program develops an advanced research capability, critical thinking, and strategic decision-making skills, positioning the learner as a subject matter expert and industry leader. It reflects the highest level of professional competency, where the individual is not only implementing safety systems, but also creating knowledge, influencing practices, and leading innovation in health and safety management. Now, let me be very honest with you. The reality of the day is the world has changed. Today, companies don't just ask, what experience do you have? They ask, are you qualified? Are you certified? Do you meet international standards? Now, industries like construction, oil and gas, infrastructure, events, and large-scale operations, you are competing globally, not locally only. And without the right qualifications, you hit a career ceiling, you get overlooked for promotions, you lose opportunities to more qualified candidates. Now, why must you and I seek these qualifications? Let me break this down clearly for you. First of all, there is credibility. Qualification shows that you are competent, verified, and professionally recognized. The second area is your career growth. With the right qualifications, you can move into leadership roles, transition into management, work internationally. Now, knowledge and confidence is the third part, which gives you education, which is structured understanding, the ability to make informed decisions, and confidence to lead teams to manage risk. And then the
Mr.
fourth
Sahil, sorry to interrupt you, but one learner from Romania asked a question regarding this, that how
Yeah.
this MBA or DBA can help me to grow further into the health and safety field. He has the 12 years of experience. His name is Mr. Kamal Baur. Okay, I hope I'm spelling the name correctly. So, and he completed his OSH and birth operator certificate, and he want to know that how this MBA and DBA can help in his career growth in health and safety field.
How can that help him into that? So into that, so that helps you definitely, because as I said now, it helps you, and within the, when I said earlier on, it helps you to think strategically. It gives you, as a company, you are there with your experience that you have, is that you are qualified, you are certified, and that you meet international standards. This is how it will help you in that specific areas. Because, as I said, the NIBOSH IGC is not enough anymore. The OTHM level 3 is not enough anymore, and so forth. The main thing is that if you look at the amount of, according to the ILO, you're looking at millions of people that die each and every year because of either injuries that is on site. And due to that, we need more qualified people that can make decisions, that can make strategic analyses, and that manage risk strategically as well. And that is why you need this training. And with this training, it will definitely elevate you into those positions. I hope this answered the question there.
Okay, so Mr. Kamal, do you have any more question? You can unmute yourself and you can speak, sir. Just a minute. Yeah. Okay, Mr. Kamal, you can continue. Thank you.
Right. So with BRAMOSH that is giving training with RB College, the question becomes, where do you get the right education? There are a lot of other education companies that you can go and use. But and I saw there was a question early on, how do we authenticate these training? And maybe Dr. Janita can give us a little bit, can give us an answer on that in that sense. But I've got all my certificates, which I have done through RB College. That is all have been authenticated within the UK. And then it also needs to be authenticated in your country as well. But Dr. Janita can just elaborate a little bit more on that. Now, with the BRAMOSH Global Institute becomes, we do not just provide courses, we provide career transformation. What makes BRAMOSH different than any of the other training is that our training is relevant to the industry. It's real world scenarios, actual site experiences, and practical applications. It is not just theory. And we can see that for me on a day-to-day basis, there's a lot of people that has the diploma knowledge, but the practical experience and the implementation thereof, there's quite a big lack in that. With the international standards, we align with the ISO frameworks, global best practices, as well as the industry requirements. And then we also have experienced trainers. You are not learning from academics only. You are learning from professionals who have worked in the field, managed real risks, and led real projects. So the global recognitions of our projects is designed to enhance your CV, open international opportunities for you, and strengthen your professional profile. Now, as a trainer, my commitment is simple. I don't just teach, I prepare you for the reality. I bring real incidents to you, real challenges and real solutions to you. Because when you leave our training, you must be able to apply knowledge immediately, make decisions confidently, and lead safety and in an effective way. Let me just leave you with the following. Your experience got you where you are today. And I think you will agree because there's some of us that has a huge amount of experience. And if I look at the amount of experience that we have here around the table, it's you. But your education will take you where you want to go. So this will differentiate you between a worker and a leader. It will differentiate you between a supervisor and a manager. It will differentiate you between a local professional and a global expert. And that is where you want to be. You want to be a global expert, not only just a professional. It is often education and qualification. Now, at Brahmosh Global Institute with RBC College, we are here to support that journey with you. So I just want to conclude here and to say, and I want to encourage you that where you are now with all the training that you have received and you are attending here, which this training session, which is, or this webinar, which is very positive because it showcases that you want to enhance yourself and that you want to get more educated. And I want to encourage you, invest in yourself, upgrade your knowledge, make use of Brahmosh and RBC College to get you to that level in order to strengthen your qualifications, because your future is not defined by where you started. It is defined by how far you are willing to grow. Thank you. Any questions?
Thank you, sir. Perfect. Thanks for your guidance. And really, you have explained everything in a very appropriate way. So there are many questions, and I hope Dr. Jenisa, I hope I'm spelling the name correctly now. So
Yeah, this time you spell it perfect.
okay, thank you, ma'am. Okay, so one important question from Mr. Hamid. Is RB College recognized by UK government bodies, accredited
Yes, my
awarding
dear.
body, university, who award the DBA degree? Okay,
No,
and is
we
the
do.
university
We are the
listed in,
awarding
yeah,
body.
just I'm going through his questions and then you can respond. Is the DBA degree, is the university listed in UK recognized body? Will the certificate say RB College or university name? Is the degree fully accredited or just affiliated? He asked.
Okay, can I answer one by one, please?
Yes.
Okay, so yes, let me take it from the end. The degree, it is fully accredited. The doctorate degree, it's having 120 credits. Okay, and we are the awarding body, RB College UK. We are the awarding body of this degree. The degree would be under our name, not under any university name, as we are already accredited from the, as I mentioned in the beginning when I introduced myself, from the Gatehouse. Gatehouse is the biggest awarding body from the Ministry of Education in the UK. So yes, fully accredited. The degree it would be from RB College UK.
Perfect. I hope
Can you
Mr.
hear me?
Hamid, yeah. I hope you given the perfect answer to Mr. Hamid. I hope Mr. Hamid doubt is clear. Mr. Hamid, you can also unmute yourself if you want to ask. Okay. And yes, the next question is, we are getting the many questions. Many learners has inquiry that they have the 10 years of experience, they are eligible or not. Definitely you are eligible because minimum the experience thing is 3 or 5 years. If you have the 3 years of experience, you need to make 4 assessment. If you have the more than 10 or 15 years of experience, you need to make the 3 assessment. How the assessment looks like? Someone asked me. We have the student models and we have the student handbook. Keep dropping your email. At the end of the webinar, we will send the brochure, student handbook. All the samples will be there, so you can also see how the models look like, how the assessment looks like, the way we make the assessment of level 6, level 7. Similarly, MBA has the same kind of assessment. The difference is our training, our study material, our guidance. This is the it's a next level. Okay, we'll add the practical thing more and more. That this is the thing that that's add value actually. Okay, many are comparing the degree. Is it better than NIBOS? Is it better than this and that? See, any degree will be better if you have the right knowledge. Suppose you have a degree, and that degree is showing that you received A plus first division, but in ground you don't have any zero knowledge. You don't have any knowledge. Okay, somehow you bought that degree. So how that degree will add value? Right. So your degree only add value when you have the relevant knowledge. If I have a degree, so by showing that degree, I cannot crack an interview because ultimately that HR is going to ask many questions from me and I need to give the satisfactory answer. Degree is the way to enter in an interview for a big level or big position. But ultimately, your knowledge, your experience matter a lot. That's why we have Mr. Saril, a very highly OHS expert and our trainer. We have Mr. Hans from Amsterdam HSC International. He's the founder of Amsterdam HSC International. He still work for Burmos as a IQA, internal quality assessor. Why he work for IQA, as a IQA in Burmos? Because we ensure at the end of the training, at the end of the assessment, our learner assessment must be genuine and he review the quality of the training. He review the learner performance. When Mr. Hans approve that this learner their assessment is good, now the learners allowed to submit their assessment, whatever training we have given. When Mr. Hans getting certified, then we allow the learner to submit their assessment. Okay, so do not compare the thing. This is better than this and that, because ultimately your knowledge, your experience matters a lot. Degree is the way to enter for an interview in a higher position. Okay, I hope I have given a clear answer. Following the same academic research based doctorate program. Yes, Mr. The Mr. Hamid, yes. And doctorate program is not based on assessment, but you need to write a thesis and it must be minimum 10,000 words. Okay, for the example.
No, my dear. Amardeep,
Okay.
sorry to
Okay.
correct you here. It is minimum 5,000 words.
Okay. Actually, we
Okay.
Actually, we have given the it depends on Mr. Saril also, ma'am, because he's going to provide detailed training that this.
Okay, but for us, the criteria, it is minimum 5,000 words.
Okay. Thank you. So learner will complete it earlier. Those are working professionals, they can complete within 4 months. Okay. The next is some questions are still coming. I have 8 years of experience in mining. I have IOS and interested for MBA. I have master degree in French, English, German. Am I eligible for MBA? Yes, you are eligible because you have the experience. You have already the master's degree, maybe in French, but if you understand English, definitely you are eligible for it. Even we have the French trainer, Miss Sonia from Tunisia. So she will also guide you regarding this. Okay, some more questions are coming. And can be eligible to do MBA after OTHM level 6. Yes, you are eligible after OTHM level 6. Can one use the MBA degree to obtain PhD? Ma'am, would you like to give the response here? Can anyone use the MBA degree to
For
obtain
this,
the PhD?
I was waiting for this question. to answer. We do not provide this. We do not provide this service to convert PhD to DBA.
No. MBA degree to obtain PhD. Can anyone use the MBA degree to obtain PhD?
Well, see, we do not provide PhD. So usually for PhD, universities have their own criteria, you know.
Oh, okay.
So I believe they need to check with the interested university for this. Different countries have different rules, you know. So I cannot give an exact answer on this. It would be
Okay,
based
for
on the
this,
university.
for this, I would like to suggest those who asked the question that very soon, Mr. Hans Institute, that is Amsterdam HSC International, going to provide the PhD maybe from next month. So he will better guide you very soon. So keep in touch. Okay, Mr. Saril raised his hand. Yeah, Mr. Saril. Do you want to say anything, Mr. Saril? Yeah.
Yes, Pramosh, I just want to make it clear, and maybe Dr. Janita can help me here. There is a bit of a difference between the doctorate that we provide, as well as between and the PhD. So the doctorate that we provide is qualitative, what we provide, where your PhD is a combination of qualitative and quantitative, which you combine that in order to obtain your PhD. So the main thing is that we are focusing on the enhancement of your knowledge in your workplace with the doctorate, and that is what the aim is in order to get you to the highest level, in that sense. So that is just, I just want to mention that because that is the difference between the doctorate and the PhD, in that sense.
Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you for explaining this. I hope it will going to help the learners to understand the difference. Okay, about the seminar and conference that are the part of academic research-based programs. See, about the seminars and conference, once the learner complete their MBA or DBA, they get invitation. So either in Dubai or the coming coming conference location. So they will accordingly they will also get their graduation like award and reward like that. Recently, the RB College held some programs in Dubai, right, ma'am?
See, my dear, we offer for the doctorate students, all the doctorate students are eligible for a 9 months UK visa. Okay, so anytime if there is a conference or a seminar, we do send the invitation to the students. We make possible the student is eligible for visa, but we do not cover the expenses of, you know, student wanting to participate in any of these.
Right, understand. Okay. Okay, so do you have any more question? Just unmute yourself one by one, not like in crowd. So we can able to give the best answer. If you have any more question, then you can type or you can also speak. How are you going to make the learning more practical? Maybe not just mere PowerPoint presentation. Yeah, Mr. Saril, would you like to give the answer here? How are you going to make the learning more practical, not just a PowerPoint presentation?
Okay, so for us, to be more practical, say for instance, if we just for instance, we want to assess, especially when we talk about risk assessment. So we will actually ask you as an exercise in order to go and do a specific risk assessment in one of the activities that is in your workplace in order, and then you need to tell us, because you need to differentiate between the raw risk and the residual risk. And you must also tell us what is the hazards, what are the consequences thereof, and then you need to get to your raw risk rating. Also, then you need to showcase us what type of control measures you're going to implement in that specific areas in order to minimize your raw risk into residual risk. And from time to time, you need to identify additional risks or control measures as well to minimize your residual risk in order to get a risk rating. Because at the end of the day, we want to make sure that your risk that you are identified with your control measures in place, that the workers are safe in order to execute that activities, in order to minimize any injuries or damage to the property. So that is one of the areas that we can do. We also do practical assessment on accident and incident investigation. We're also going to ask you to do a practical inspection on your specific area, where you need to develop an inspection checklist for us, so that we can see, have you identified the specific areas, etc. So yeah, so these are just a couple of those assignments. And the other people that has now years and years of experience on HSE and says, oh yeah, it's so boring. We know that. But guys, we also know it is so boring now to read a risk assessment and an accident investigation that has been copied exactly from AI and exactly from Google and everything, because sometimes we forget to remove the website from where you copy it and everything in that sense. What we want to determine is your understanding and your identifications capability. And if there's a need or a lack in that, we want to enhance that in order that you can be confident in order to fulfill your role. Because at the end of the day, you need to protect either yourself, but the most important, you need to protect your employer for any liabilities. And a poor accident investigation, poor risk assessment leaves the company to quite a disrepute in that sense.
Perfect, perfect. Thank you so much, everyone, for your time, for your patience. You all can please clap yourself in the like through the emojis, because you all attended this webinar. Given your valuable time, I would like to thank you all the seniors, our guests, those who joined. Thank you so much. I will just take 2 more minutes to share some important details so that any kind of doubts will be clear from my side and from your side as well. Now, what we have mentioned, that those are participating, they will get the participation certificate. Why? Because we appreciate your availability here. Giving 1 hour, 2 hour of time in this busy area, like in this busy era, is very important. Somehow you dedicated your time for the learning. That's a great thing. Thank you so much again. Now, before ending the webinar, I would just like to talk 4 important points here. Number 1, only webinar participation certificate is free, not all the accredited courses. Many times, many learner made a mistake. They visit our website, there are many courses, they select this and that, they start calling us, sir, you promised that your courses are free. And we said, no, the webinar is free. The webinar participation certificate is free. And then they get angry. So, like, I just want to clarify this thing. We want more learner engagement, but we also want you must get enrolled for the accredited courses, and definitely it has a price. Okay, it will add value in your career. Number 2, after this webinar, tomorrow we will send a link. Give a 20 minutes of test. Test for what? Test for your HSC knowledge. Test for your knowledge about BRMOS and RB College, MBA and DBA, so that you will not mistake to understand the eligibility thing. So just a 20 minutes of test we arrange. Those who appear, they will get selected for the participation certificate. And those who chosen the courses, like after when we send the form to fill up the webinar form, we have also given many courses. So in which courses you are interested to get the details, and many has voted for multiple courses. Some shown interest for doctorate, some shown interest for MBA, some shown interest for OTHM, certified safety officer, certified safety engineer, ISO lead auditor, many things. So our admin will get connected very soon within the period of these 7 days. Number 4, learn and lead. You cannot lead without proper knowledge, without proper learning. So choose BRMOS for your learning and leading. Now, 3 important things you need to do. Number 1 is we have our BRMOS Safety Center LinkedIn group. More than 2,200 active members, active HSC professionals are there. join that Burmose Safety Center LinkedIn group. And we have our Burmose Gulf group as well. Why this group? Time to time we create poll, we drop study material, we drop our learner feedback, we ask question. Your valuable participation help us to understand your feedback, to understand the knowledge you are looking for, to understand that what kind of knowledge you have that you are voting the right or wrong question or answer. So we have two active group, that is Burmose Safety Center and Burmose Gulf. We have 2200 member in Burmose Safety Center. We have 560 Gulf member in Burmose Gulf LinkedIn group. About the pages, Burmose has many pages. We have Burmose Global, more than 4,800 active members are following. We have Burmose in French. So French learners can follow that page also. We have 1,200 plus French active followers in that page. We have Burmose UK, 600 plus active members in Burmose UK page. We have Burmose Africa, 400 plus member. We have Burmose Gulf and Portuguese as well. So more than 100 to 200 followers are there in those pages as well. About the WhatsApp number, as per your country, as per your region, you can contact us. If you belong from UK, we have Mr. Barry Green, our OHS trainer and our representative in UK. Mr. Barry Green is highly qualified HSC professional. His number is also given. We have Mr. Hans from Netherlands. He represented Europe on the behalf of Burmose. So you can also get connect with Mr. Hans. We have Mr. Saril. If you belong from Gulf nations, you can connect Mr. Saril. And if you belong from Asia or any part of the world, you can directly contact the headquarters of Burmose. The two numbers are also given. We have our email ID also given. So you can contact info, admin, contact any of the email ID for any detail. We will give the best details, best training to you. Thank you so much for your active participation. I hope you all enjoyed. From our side, we just clarified the doubts that basically happened from the learner side. So do you have any question? Feel free to unmute yourself and ask. If not, feel free to open your camera. I would like to take a very good picture with you all. Can we take a very good picture with you all, everyone? Mr. Hans, would you like to add anything, any point from your side?
No, it was very clear, Amardeep. Very clear.
Okay, see you soon, sir. Thank you. Okay, so everyone, please on your camera. We'll take a very good picture. We'll upload from our LinkedIn page, Must React. And we want your participation, your presence in Burmose. We have the expert. They will going to guide you. They're going to train you. We will also offer some percentage of scholarship, not the full, but definitely some discounts, because we want you get the benefit of learning. Let me click the picture. Everyone, please on your camera. Of reaction, throw emoji or throw your hand, so the picture will be more good, more better.
Sorry, please come again.
Thumbs up reaction from your side, if you like the presentation and all.
Thumbs up, yeah.
Thank you so much, everyone. I hope you really enjoyed. Have you all enjoyed the webinar? You can unmute yourself and speak, please. I want to hear from you all.
Yes.
It's okay.
Yes, we did.
It's
Thank
fine.
you.
Thank you. Thank you so much. So goodbye. Take care. In many countries, I think there's night. So good night. In many countries, there's morning. So have a great day. Bye. Take care. Get connect with us through LinkedIn, through WhatsApp, through pages, but must get connect with us. Thank you so much. Bye. Take care. Bye.
Yeah.
Thank you, Dr. Zenzia. Thank you, Mr. Sarel, Mr. Hans, Mr. Oko, and all the special guests. Thank you so much. Bye. Take care. Bye. May God bless you all.
Thank you.